Hi there, Bill Oxidean here. Today I'm going to run through different programs with this Hobbywing programming card for our mini DOM. I'm going to go through optimal settings and settings that I recommend and suggest, and a few settings that'll make your mini DOM go a lot faster. A lot of these settings are just recommendations. You can definitely experiment on your own and see what you like. There aren't many settings on there that'll avoid your warranty with the mini DOM because it's such a low current drawing system. Remember, not all Hobbywing program cards are compatible with our ESCs, but we sell the correct one for all of our boats on our site. And you can actually use the same box for the big Dominator, the Animal, and the mini DOM, which is really convenient. But enough of the tutorial, let's get started and take a look at how this works. When you open the box, you'll see the program card itself, input terminal, instruction manual, 2 different overlays, and the box itself. We're not going to be using these overlays because they're for planes, but I suggest keeping them in case you have a plane that might use a Hobbywing programming card. Okay, to complete this procedure, you're only going to need your mini DOM itself, the program box, your 3S battery. First, I'm going to have you remove the receiver from the boat, then plug the ESC terminal from the receiver. We're not going to be using the receiver for this procedure. Next, before connecting your battery or anything like that, I want you to take your program box and plug your ESC terminal into the far right terminal on the box. And make sure you have the polarity correct on the ESC plug. Black goes on the inside. Plug it in, make sure it's plugged in well. Now, at this point, I want you to plug the battery in. You're going to see lines across the program box at first, and sometimes it takes a while for it to quote-unquote warm up. Then you'll get ones across the screen. So let's see what we got here. This one's been plugged in a couple times, so it'll go a little faster than usual. We've got our lines. Now we've got our ones. Now the box itself has 3 different tables printed on the box itself. The one we're going to be using is actually on the back of the box, which is table 3 for boat ESC. First parameter, the first item is going to be running mode. Second, LiPo cells. Third, low voltage cutoff, LVC. And fourth is going to be timing. Now that we've flipped our box right side up, we're going to get started with the programming. The first LED shows the item, second shows the value. We're starting with item number 1, which is running mode. There's forward only and forward in reverse. I recommend forward only for optimal performance. So to get to forward only, we need to change the value. So we're going to hit the value button, like so. And value 1 is forward only. To confirm that this setting, we're going to press OK. We get a beep of confirmation from the ESC itself. Next, we're going to go to LiPo cells. So to go to LiPo cells, we're going to change the item. So to change the item, we're going to press item button. Item 2. I recommend auto calculate, which our factory setting is on auto calculate, which is value 1. So to confirm that, we're going to press OK again. We got our beep of confirmation from our ESC. Next, let's go to low voltage cutoff threshold. So to do that, we're going to be changing, again, the item, correct? So we're going to push the item button, which will take it to 3. Our ESC comes factory at setting number 4, but to preserve your batteries and to keep it at a really safe voltage, I'm going to highly suggest that you increase the value to 5. This is the highest setting of our cutoff. That means that it drains your battery the least. And you're going to get better warranty from your batteries, better life, and it's just all around safe. So I highly recommend using this. Anything less than 4 will void your warranty, unfortunately. Okay. And to confirm this, again, we're going to press OK. We got our beep of confirmation from the ESC. Now, we're going to get to the fun part, timing. So to increase the item, we're going to again press the item button. This one has been set to 5, which is our factory setting. Now, if you want to have a little fun, you can increase this to up to as high as number 8. So we're going to go value 6, 7, 8. More timing means higher RPM, but it also means a little more heat in the motor and a little more drain on the batteries. But this is such a low current drawing system that it's not a problem. Everything comes in cold. So increasing the timing is not going to void your warranty. It's going to increase your fun factor. So to confirm this value 8, we're going to hit OK. We got our beep of confirmation. Now, the timing increase is something that's optional. You can actually lower the timing if you have like small kids or someone that you want on a lower setting, maybe a wife or someone that's not as experienced. And it's not recommended so much for small children. The mini dom has an age limit, but you can do well with this timing setting. I'd like to note that when you first plug it in, item number 1 could be set to value 2. That doesn't make a difference. Just set it back to number 1 as instructed. Well, folks, I guess that about sums it up. Remember, you can get the program box that fits all 3 of our boats, the Mini Dom, the Dominator, as well as the Animal Cat on our website, www.oxideanmarine.com. And remember, enjoy your day boating.